This is the Xiaomi Mi Box S, first generation. This is one of the cheapest Android TV boxes out there, and surprisingly, it's actually not a bad pick for light digital signage. Now, light being the key word here. So like any consumer device, this does have its limits, but let's just start with what we like. First off, it's ultra affordable, usually around $70, so if you're experimenting with signage on a light budget, that matters. It runs on Android TV 8.1, not the newer Google TV interface, but you're still gonna find most signage apps on the Play Store, including Fugo. Setup is simple: HDMI in, power on, connect to Wi-Fi, and install your signage app. Then you're done. And while it's not powerful, it does handle basic image, slideshow, and video playback just fine. So now for the caveats. First, no Ethernet port. You are relying entirely on Wi-Fi, which also can be a problem in high interference environments. Second, it only has 2 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage, so performance can choke with heavier content. Dashboards, multi-zone layouts, or 4K YouTube loops probably won't run smoothly, and like many Android TV boxes, it can power down after a few hours unless you disable energy saver settings. Fugo's app does override that behavior, but for some teams, that alone is enough to rule out Android devices entirely. So, where does the Mi Box S actually work well? So if you're running a small retail screen or a display in a cafe lobby or office and you're just looping images or videos from your CMS, this little box will do the job. But if your setup involves video, heavy menu boards, live dashboards with constantly changing data, or layouts with multiple zones, the Mi Box will struggle. It's not built for high performance signage, and it definitely won't handle the long-term YouTube streaming or real-time logistics data cleanly. Quick heads up, as of 2025, there is a second and third generation of the Mi Box. The second gen isn't much of a step up when it comes to storage or performance, so if you're looking for a newer model, we'd recommend jumping straight to the third gen. It runs Android 14, has better specs, and offers broader app support for signage use. With all that said, you might be wondering, okay, well, why use the Mi Box at all then? Most TVs today already run Android or other smart OS, so in many cases, you don't even need an external player. But if your TV isn't smart or its OS doesn't support the Play Store, a Mi Box is one of the cheapest ways to give it Android TV capabilities. It's not a first-line recommendation, but it fills a gap, especially in regions where Xiaomi products are widely stocked and more competitively priced than brands like Roku or Amazon Fire. So if you're figuring out which devices actually work for digital signage and which ones don't, give us a follow. We're doing the testing, so you don't have to.